Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope all of you are fine with the grace of Almighty. Today we have the action exercise. It's place counters on or Rajma seeds on the places pictures. Remove them to subtract. So we have to remove them to subtract. Now see, I saw 9 ants, 5 went into a hole. How many are left? There are total 9 ants. So 5 went into the hole. So we'll keep 5. Rajma. 2, 3, 4 and 5. So how many are remaining? Because these 5 went into a hole. So remaining are 1, 2, 3, 4. So 9 minus 4, that is 9 minus 5, that is 4. Same is here. Preeti bought 8 paper cups. She used 2. How many are left? She used 2. So we'll cover the 2. We covered the 2. So how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total 6. Now Shikha made 10 sandwich. She ate 3. How many are left? She made 10 and she ate how many? 3. So let us cover 3 sandwiches. So let's cover 3 sandwich. So left how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we write 7. Now here Nasir had 7 bookmarks. He gave 5 to Preetham. How many are left? Here are 7 bookmarks. Now 5 are given to Preetham. So let us cover 5. And 5. So how many are left? 1 and 2. So we write here 2. Now see, John found 5 shells. He threw all 5 back into the sea. Here are 5 shells and all the 5 shells are thrown back to the sea. So how many are left? See, all 5. Let us cover all the 5. Four, 4 and 5. All the 5 are see hidden with the rajma. So how many are left? Is anyone left without rajma? No. So there is 0. So we write 0. Hope you have understood it. Now we have count forward to subtract. We have to do forward counting in order to subtract the numbers. The steps in which we count forward to get the number from which we have to subtract is the answer. Okay, क्या मतलब है? जो हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है उस नंबर को हमें लेना है और फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग करनी है तब तक जब तक कि हमें वो नंबर ना मिले जिससे हमने सब्ट्रैक्ट किया. ओके, सो कितने स्टेप्स होंगे? दैट इज द आंसर. एंड यू रिमेंबर डियर स्टूडेंट्स दैट in this method you have always take the smaller number. Okay, smaller number start with the smaller number and move forward. Let's do. Circle the smaller number, count forward, subtract. Here see two parts are done. Here we have 8 and 5. You know 5 is the smaller number and we have started from 5 and reached to 8. 6, 7, 8. So how many steps? It took 3 steps to reach 8. So 3 is the answer. Here 5 is the smaller number and we took 2 steps to reach 7. Now here see 8 is the smaller number and it took 2 steps 9 and 10 to reach 10. So we write 2. Here see 9, 8. 8 is the smaller number and it took 1 step to reach 9. So it is 1. Now here 5 minus 2. 2 is the smaller number. So we will circle 2 and count forward to reach 5. 3, 4, 5. So how many steps? 1, 2, 3 steps to reach 5. So 3 is the answer. Now here 8 and 6. 6 is the smaller number. Now we'll count forward. 6, 7, 8. How many steps? 2 steps to reach 8. So here we will write 2. 4 and 2. 2 is the smaller number. So 2, 3, 4. Again it took 2 steps to reach 4. So you write 2 is the answer. Okay, rest 2 parts you will do yourself. Now it is subtracting single digit from double digit number. You have to subtract single digit number means 1 digit number from 2 digit numbers. And we know that in 2 digit numbers we have ones and tens. That means 2 digit number forms the place of ones and tens and 1 digit number forms the place of ones. And you remember there that always when you have to subtract double digit number from a single digit number from a double digit number, you will always start from ones. What does it mean? It means that here we have given double digit number and single digit number. Always subtraction starts from ones, means here. यहाँ से हम स्टार्ट नहीं करेंगे बल्कि कहाँ से ones से स्टार्ट करेंगे. Okay, always start from ones, not from tens, but from ones. Always start from ones to subtract. Even addition also is done from ones. Okay, let's see. Cross out the number of bangles sold to find how many are left. See, here is a set of 10 and rest. Okay, set of 10 and the rest. See, there are 13 bangles and she wants 3. See, it is a set of 10 and more 3. So we'll cross out these 3. So remaining are 10. It is a set of 10. So we write 10. Okay, I would like 7. She likes 7 bangles. So we'll cross out 7 bangles. The remaining is a set of 10. So here it is 10. Can I have 9? See, she needs 9 bangles. Here we have the set of 10s because it is ones and it is tens. So we'll cross out 9. So it is 10. Again, she wants 4. See, it is ones and tens. We'll cross out ones, means 4 bangles because she needs 4 and 4 is a 1 digit number. So remaining are 10 bangles. So we write 10. Rest 2 parts you will do yourself. Now here we have cross out to find the number of flowers left. One has been done for you. See, here we have cross out the numbers. You will remember that on left side these are tens. Okay, ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens. What does it mean? It means that these flowers are a set of 10. You can see it, check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is a set of 10 and these are ones. Okay, see, these will be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now we have to cut out 5 from this. See, it is already 5 flowers are cut from ones, so remaining are 1, 2 and this one, because the tens are as it is, we did not cut any flower from the 10, so it will be similar. So here, see, 10 and 3, that is 13. From 3 flowers we have to cut 2, so we'll cut 1, 1 and 2, so remaining is 1 and this one. Again, see, here are 9 flowers, we have to cut 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So remaining are 2 and this one. Here we have 6 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have to cut 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining are 2 and this one. Rest 2 parts you will do yourself. Now this is all for today. Allah Hafiz.